Evening, everyone. It's Sunday night, a little after 8 o'clock, and I'm just finishing up tonight's letter. And this is video number 697, and it is your weekly update on the gold. As you can see on the chart above, that we did come down on a weekly basis and test this low. The low here was 1673.30. Last week's low was 1677.30. So we seem to have held, and of course, we're coming close in two ways. The most recent serious breakout here between the 660 and 1700 level and the rising 100-week moving average. So looks like we have some support here, but we will clearly have to break through these closing highs, the highest of which looks like 1741.70. Tonight we are trading basically unchanged, down a half a dollar, down now 20 cents at 1728. And so 1741 is kind of a distance away, but not with gold. Any little bit of news one way or the other can take this market up. This market is pretty extended on the downside. We fell right through the support at 1800, and we have moved back down to 1700. While I don't see us breaking this support in here at 1675, you never know, but right now, if we move back down towards that 1675, I wouldn't hesitate to be a buyer there. We are also in the silver, so I'm going to give you a look at that also. And the silver is actually up about 6.5 cents. It has the same basic look to the chart, except that this chart still is leaning towards the upside. I would call this flagging out against, this channel. And again, we are coming very close, except that this is a 50-week moving average. So the difference between the gold and the silver is in the favor of the silver and not the gold, but they tend to move together. And the upward bias here lends some credence to the fact that gold is oversold and looking to bounce. Have a good evening. I'll be back first thing in the morning with your pre-opening comment.